Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 3s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to the Off Season by J. Cole. Amazing album, go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these Jordans. Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at the MANIERE 3s, but before we do talk about the shoes, I just want to talk about the box real quick. They have a nice cream colored box right here with the Jumpman logo with Flight, and then you have like a nice MANIERE plastic all around the shoe, which you could just slide out. I was able to get these for retail for $200. I think I paid like $210, $215 after tax and shipping. This is a size 10.5 because this is a women's shoe, which is a 9s and men. Again, I was able to get these for retail, which is just great. And speaking of retail, resale is a little bit high on these, but it's nothing too crazy. These used to go for around $750 to around $800, which is a lot, but thankfully they have dropped to around $450, $500. So if you want this pair for like a personal, go pick it up now. I think this shoe does have a lot of potential to rise in the future, and because of that, I think you should just go on and pay resale now. Even though it's gonna suck, just go pay it if you really want the shoe. The shoe does come with a few extra things. It comes with a nice Nike tag, it comes with a nice MANIERE tag, and in case you are wondering, these do come attached to the shoe, but I have just taken them off because I tried to record this video earlier and something went wrong. So yeah, I just took them off, and here we have like a nice pair of cream laces, and I think these are gonna look amazing on this shoe. So yeah, enough talking about the little extra stuff. Let's get into the review. First things first, let's get into the backstory about this shoe. Basically, it is to just support women and just appreciate like the powerful women in your life, and I love the message behind this sneaker. Next, we have the quality, which is amazing on this shoe. I like how they went with like a nice suede material instead of an elephant print. It's really soft, and I just think it works really well with this shoe. And then there's two things that really just stand out like more than anything. That is the tongue. I like how they added a nice MANIERE logo right there in the tongue. You really don't get that with a lot of general releases, so I like how they added it with this. That really only happens with like PEs or like special shoes that don't really get released to the public. The next thing we have is that nice quilted like liner right here. It's so soft and really nice, and literally as soon as I saw that, I like completely fell in love with the shoe. Like, it's such a nice touch. You can also see they added like a nice vintage midsole, and also a thing right here. I don't really know what these things are called, like lace holders, but yeah, it's all nice and vintage, like yellowed, and then on the back tab it's yellowed as well. I do want to point out that on the back tab there is a message. I'm not gonna bend it because I'm scared I'm gonna break it, but I'll put up a picture on the screen. One of them says you must learn to walk alone, and the other one says all we have is each other. The message do contradict each other, but I think that was really the point of the shoe, and it's such an amazing touch that I don't really see added with a lot of Jordan 3s. Obviously you can see that it's a nice vintage yellowed look, and I really love that back tab. I also do want to point out that the reason the color is like a nice burgundy, like brownish purple color, is because the creator of this shoe, he said he really wanted to make like a nice gender neutral color, and I think he picked the most perfect color for this shoe. Like, I really like that color right there. Okay, and one last final detail, which really isn't too crazy. It's on the aglets. It does say work harder. So it says work on one, and then it says harder on the other. And again, it's like a small little detail that in reality you're not really gonna see all the time, but I love how they added it. So yeah, that's enough talking. Let me just spin the shoe around so you guys can look at it. In case you are wondering, there is a Jumpman right here, and there's the MANIERE logo right there. And then it's the opposite on this other pair. You'll see the MANIERE logo, and then you'll see the Jumpman on the inside. So yeah, in my opinion, this has to be one of the best releases of the year. I completely love this shoe. I love the story behind it. I love how it looks. I just love everything about it. I think you should definitely go out and pick this shoe up if you haven't already. Go true to size on Jordan 3s. That's what I went. And it is a women's sizing, so remember that. Go up 1.5 sizes. I'm a size 9. I went up to a 10.5. So yeah, let me know what you guys do think about this sneaker. I love it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feet.